Okay, right now I'm on canva.com. So canva.com is a place where you can design all kinds of things like your logo, your ebook cover, your social media posts, your videos, your banners, your posters, and lots more. So here, let me just walk you down a little bit. Let me show you. So if you go down, you will see this is canva.com. So the next first thing you will need to do is to sign up here. Just click here, you will sign up. This is for login, for those who have an account. I already have an account with them. So you have to click here. Let me click here. You sign up. You just click. If you have a Google account, you have options: Google account, Facebook account, using your email. If you have a Google account, just click here. It will sign you up. If you have a Facebook account, just click here. It signs you up with your Facebook account. If you don't want to sign up with any of these two, you just use your email and your password. So I'm going back to log in. So I will just choose, I have a Google account. I'll just continue with Google. So it's signing me. Okay, now I'm already signed in. They have signed me in. So I've logged in. So the next thing let me just walk you a little bit down so you look at all the things you can create with Canva. You can create documents, whiteboard, A4 documents, ebook cover, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, different things, even videos. So for today, we are going to be creating our ebook cover. So, and if you want to customize your size, if you have a particular size you want to use, just click here, then choose your size and then send it. It will take you to a page where you can then select your template. So for today, we don't have any size in mind. We're just going to search for ebook cover here, ebook cover. So we'll click send. It will then search for, bring out all their templates, both free and paid templates. Remember, Canva has both a free account and a pro account. So if you want some of their premium resources that you can use to create your designs, you will have to pay for their pro version. So we are going to now select the templates we're going to use to create our ebook. So once we select the template, we will start editing it. So let me just choose one of these templates here, so we can go over and start editing it. So I'll choose this one. Now it's open the place where I can then say customize. So I will now say customize this template. I will click here to customize this template. The next page it will show me is where I will customize the templates. So now we are on the page where I'm customizing the template now. So now you will see the template that we have chosen. Okay, here it is. If you look at the left hand side of this platform right now, you will see design at the topmost, at the upper part of it. Design is where all the templates you can use are. I already have one I've chosen, but I can decide to change it. Let me just click on one so you see how it is. I can decide to change it. Okay, so it has added another template for me. I can decide either to use this one or use the one above, the first one. So I still want to use this one, so I'm going to still use it. So I'm going to delete this. I don't need it. I'm just showing you that you can add another one if you want. Then the next thing there is elements. elements. Look at it. These are like lines, arrows, circles, rectangles, different shapes that you can add to your work. Then we have brand hub. Brand hub is a place where you can quickly keep some brand assets like colors that you normally use to create your work on Canva, so you don't need to keep repeating it. Upload is where you can upload your images, videos, your audio that you can use to create your work. Text is the text that you will use to edit and write whatever you want to write on your work. So once you click on it, it gives you a text. Then draw is you can use it to draw anything that you want to draw on Canva. Just click on it and it helps you to start drawing. Then the project you're working on. Photos. Canva always has millions of photos that you can use to create your work, but some of them are paid. You have to have a pro version to use them. So, but some are also free that you can use for free. Then there is background. You can decide to change the background of your work from here. So I can decide to click on red now. It changes the background of what I'm working on. But I want to use my black background, or you can also use picture background just like this. It changes it. So I still want to use my background, so I'm going to go back to my black. So that is it. So right now we're going to start editing this template right now. So I'm going to edit. I remember that we already copied our title, our ebook title. We pasted it on Word document. So I'm going to go there right now and copy it. Okay. Our title, remember, is Conquer Your Mind, Conquer Your World. It has both a main title and a subtitle. So I'm going to first copy the first one, the first part of it, which is the main title. The main title is Conquer Your World, Conquer Your Mind, Conquer Your World. Conquer your mind, conquer your world. So I'm going to copy it. Okay. Copy. So I'll go back to Canva again. And then I will delete what is here and paste what I have. You can see now that it is here, but it is big, so I'll need to reduce it. This is your font. This is the font I'm using right now. If you want to change your font, you just click here, choose the one you want. This is the font size. So this is where you change your color. This is bold. This is italics. And this is how you alignment, where you center or make it right center, or these are bullet points and all that. These are the effects, the animate. So right now I'm going to reduce the font of this thing. So you look, okay, sorry, reduce the font. So I've reduced it to 16. Let me make it 17. So I will now click and drag so that it fits in properly. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing I want to delete this. I don't need this. So the next thing I want to, no, sorry, I will need it. Let me just delete what is inside. I'll use it for mine. So I will now add, let me show you how to now add text. You will click on text, choose, this is add heading, add a heading. This is for heading. This is for subheading. This is for little text. So for now we are adding a subheading. So I will use this. I will just click on it. It adds it to me. I will drag it down. You can either use it up or down, anywhere you like. So I'm going to now delete what is inside it, and then I'll go back to where our title is, and then copy, and then copy what is inside, or copy it and then come and paste it here. Let me first copy what is our sub title. I'll just copy it. The Ultimate Warrior Mindset Guide. I'll copy it. Then I'll go back to Canva again. and then I'll paste it. Now you can see, so I'm going to drag it. I want it to fit in properly. I actually want it to be on one line, so I'm going to drag it. I'll reduce the font. I want it to fit into one line. I'll just reduce the font. Okay, so I want it to be on one line. This is how you increase what you're working on to look bolder. So I want this thing to be at the center. So now I have my title and my subtitle. So you can decide to change the color of this. Let me still increase the title a little bit. So the title is supposed to be bolder than the subtitle. So I will add the name. Remember the name of let's look at the name of our Ifeoma Eze. Okay, let's come back again. We're going to type Ifeoma Eze here. Ifeoma Eze. So I'm going to highlight it, double tap on it, and then highlight it by going to alignment. Then I'll choose center. So I want it to be at the center. So I will now change. I can decide to change the color of this to, remember, this is where we change the color. We'll just click on it. Let me make it red. No, I don't like the red. So I will go back. I will go down and I will choose another color. Let me choose yellow. That's not so bad. So you can also decide to customize your color by, if you don't see the color you want. If I want to make it very yellow, I can go here, click on this, and it becomes very yellow. I think that's okay. I can also change the color of this one. I can make it yellow again if I want. So it all depends on what I want and what you want to do. So this is it. I'm still trying to increase this and I'll make it properly aligned. Let me see. I'll put it at the center. Okay. Okay, let me look at it here and see how it looks. I don't really like this. So let me change the font. Let me change the font. Then I'll have to reduce it. So you can play around with this. You can change your fonts. You can let me use this and see how it looks. Let me go back to the previous fonts, what it was before. Just undo it. So that is it. Okay. So now let me reduce a little bit and see if it comes out better. So this is what how you do it. So now you have your, you can also decide to put an image. Let me add an image. Go to photo or photos here, photos. Then you can search for what you want. You can search for what you want. I can just say something like win, and then go. Some of these pictures here are premium pictures. You have to pay to use, and this is, let me use this one. So I will drag it down. Let me reduce the size of the picture so it can fit in properly. So let me move this one up a little bit so there is space for the rest. Okay, you can see what we have done so far. So you can decide to use any color. You can decide to use any color, any font. You can decide to use any color or any font for your own so for now, this is how it's going to be. Okay, so you just create whatever you create your own, the way, in your own style. If you look at, you can also decide to add effects. You can add effects here, make it look bolder here. You can choose this. I don't really like that. So I'll put it back. I'm just showing you what you can do. You can just experiment and see what works for you. So right now, the next thing we will do is to download it. So right now, this is down. Let me increase the font of this a little bit. And this one should go up a little bit. And this a little bit. So now this is it. So this is our ebook cover. So now we are going to download it. Just click on share, the share button, then you scroll down, you see download, click on download. It will ask you for the format you want. It will suggested PNG. There are other formats, JPEG, there's a PDF standard, there's PDF print, there is a SVG, MP4 video, GIF, and all that. So for this particular ebook cover, we actually need PNG. You can also use JPEG something here. So it's also good for pictures, but PNG has a higher print quality, has a higher quality than JPEG. So we are going to download the PNG version of it. So click on download and it will download it to your computer.